Welcome to our channel. Today we will explore farmhouse, modern, rustic, industrial, Scandinavian, minimalist, luxury, and modern farmhouse ideas that can transform a Quonset hut into a highly personalized living space. Number 1. Modern farmhouse. Modern farmhouse is one of the most natural styles for a Quonset hut because it combines warm materials with simple, functional forms. The style can begin with a neutral palette of warm white, beige, soft gray, natural wood, and matte black. White cabinetry can make the kitchen feel brighter, while natural wood provides contrast against the clean surfaces. A large farmhouse sink can reinforce the traditional character without making the kitchen feel old-fashioned. Open wood shelving can replace some upper cabinets and create an opportunity to display dishes, pottery, cookbooks, and decorative objects. In the living room, a comfortable sectional sofa, woven rug, wooden coffee table, and simple fireplace can create a welcoming gathering area. Number 2. Modern Quonset hut. A modern interior takes a different approach by using clean furniture silhouettes and fewer decorative objects. A modular sofa can provide flexibility while keeping the room visually simple. A rectangular coffee table can create contrast against the curved architecture, especially when its design is extremely simple. Black metal side tables can add subtle industrial character without turning the entire interior into an industrial space. A sculptural lounge chair can provide a single artistic statement without filling the room with unnecessary furniture. Number 3. Rustic Quonset hut. Rustic interiors benefit from furniture with visible grain, natural imperfections, and substantial proportions. A distressed leather sofa can become a centerpiece because its texture contrasts beautifully with smooth steel and polished surfaces. A thick, solid wood coffee table can reinforce the rustic character while providing a durable, everyday surface. A pair of wooden-framed armchairs can create a secondary conversation area near a fireplace or large window. Woven baskets can provide practical storage for blankets while adding texture beneath coffee tables or beside seating.
Number 4. Scandinavian style. Scandinavian design emphasizes simple furniture, pale wood, soft textiles, and functional proportions. A light oak sofa table can add useful storage without visually weighing down the room. A soft boucle or woven lounge chair can provide texture while maintaining the light Scandinavian aesthetic.
Number 5. Industrial furniture. Industrial furniture works naturally with exposed steel because both materials share a utilitarian visual language. A steel-framed coffee table can emphasize the structural character of the building. Metal shelving can be used for books, plants, kitchenware, or decorative objects. Leather furniture can soften the visual hardness of exposed steel and concrete.
Number 6. Minimalist furniture. Minimalism requires discipline because every piece of furniture becomes visually important. Instead of filling every corner, the design should allow open areas around the furniture. A single sculptural table or chair can become more noticeable when the surrounding decoration is restrained.
Number 7. Luxury furniture. Luxury design can be introduced through craftsmanship and materials rather than simply choosing oversized furniture. A tailored sofa with high-quality upholstery can immediately elevate the room. A marble or natural stone coffee table can provide a strong centerpiece without requiring additional decoration. A statement lounge chair can introduce a contrasting material, such as leather, boucle, or velvet. The kitchen island often becomes the most important piece of furniture in an open-plan Quonset hut because it connects food preparation with social space. A substantial island can include drawers, cabinets, seating, and food preparation space in one compact footprint. Counter stools should be selected carefully because their height, backrest, and width affect both comfort and circulation. Wooden stools can reinforce a farmhouse or rustic design, while slim metal stools can push the interior toward modern or industrial territory. Pendant lights above the island should be sized according to the island length so that the fixtures feel intentional rather than crowded. The bedroom should feel softer and quieter than the main living areas, with furniture that emphasizes comfort rather than visual drama. An upholstered headboard can provide a soft contrast against the harder steel architecture. A wooden bed frame can create a stronger connection to farmhouse or rustic styles. Low nightstands are useful because they maintain visual openness around the bed. Matching bedside lamps can create symmetry, while different lamps can produce a more relaxed, eclectic appearance. A wooden storage bench at the foot of the bed provides seating and a convenient place for blankets or clothing. Built-in wardrobes can be designed specifically around the changing ceiling height of a Quonset hut. Low cabinets can occupy the areas where a standard full-height wardrobe would not fit comfortably. Open clothing rails can work in minimalist interiors, but should be used selectively to prevent the bedroom from appearing cluttered.
Bathroom furniture should be compact and moisture appropriate while still contributing to the overall design style. A floating vanity can make a compact bathroom feel more open because the floor remains visible underneath. A freestanding vanity can create a more traditional farmhouse appearance. Round mirrors can echo the curves of the building and soften the geometry of rectangular cabinets.
The entryway should remain practical because this is where everyday objects first enter the home. A narrow console table can provide a place for keys, mail, lamps, and decorative objects without consuming much floor space. A storage bench can combine seating with shoe storage. One of the most important principles is to avoid placing tall furniture where the roof slopes down too aggressively. Low benches, cabinets, and storage units are often more practical along the lower sections of the curved wall. Tall furniture should generally be concentrated near the center or straight sections where sufficient headroom is available. Furniture is not only about large pieces. Rugs, cushions, throws, curtains, and upholstery determine how comfortable the room feels. A large rug can connect separate furniture pieces into one cohesive seating arrangement. Linen curtains can soften large windows while maintaining a relaxed farmhouse or Scandinavian aesthetic. Wool throws and textured cushions can introduce warmth during colder seasons.
Indoor plants can provide natural color and help soften the industrial qualities of a steel shell. A large planter can function almost like a piece of furniture when positioned beside a sofa or entry console. A wooden ladder shelf can provide both storage and decorative display space. The strongest Quonset Hut interiors usually repeat several furniture materials throughout the house. For example, natural oak can appear in the kitchen island, dining table, coffee table, and bedroom nightstands. Black metal can then be repeated in lighting, cabinet hardware, table legs, window frames, and shelving. This repetition makes different furniture pieces feel like part of one carefully planned interior, rather than a collection of unrelated purchases.
The furniture inside a Quonset hut should ultimately support the architecture rather than hide it. Farmhouse furniture can make the shell feel warm and familiar, while modern furniture can highlight its clean geometry. Rustic furniture can emphasize the connection between the home and its natural surroundings. Industrial furniture can celebrate the building's original metal character, while Scandinavian pieces can make the interior feel bright and calm. Luxury furniture can transform the same structure into a sophisticated contemporary retreat through premium upholstery, natural stone, walnut, and carefully designed lighting. Ultimately, the best Quonset hut interior is not defined by one particular trend, but by how intelligently every piece of furniture responds to the curved architecture. When the furniture is correctly scaled, carefully positioned, and connected through a consistent palette of materials and textures, the unusual shape becomes an advantage rather than a challenge. And that is what makes Quonset hut homes so exciting. Beneath the unconventional steel shell, there is enormous potential for creating a home that feels warm, practical, stylish, and completely personal.